This investigation will be carried out in two parts. The first experiment will be to test the pH of household items, which will allow us to determine whether the substance is an acid or a base. I will be testing a cleaning detergent and lemon juice. 15 milliliters of each will be used. I will be using cabbage juice as an indicator. This was made by boiling red cabbage leaves in water. Red cabbage contains a pigment called anthocyanin that changes color when mixed with acids or bases. For this part of the experiment, I will also be using 3 glasses and 2 spoons. I will start by filling up each of the glasses with an equal amount of cabbage juice indicator. The first glass will serve as a control, which will be used to compare both mixtures to. We will add lemon juice to the first glass. And we will then mix it. This mixture has turned red, which according to our pH scale indicates a pH of about 2. Next, we will add our detergent to the third glass. And we will mix it. This mixture has turned green, which indicates a pH of around 12. Our lemon juice is therefore acidic in nature and our detergent is alkaline in nature. It is essential to take precautionary measures while conducting an experiment. Much like hazardous lab chemicals, household items can also be dangerous. For this particular neutralization experiment, there are 6 safety measures that I had observed. I wore gloves, which is a form of personal protective equipment. Prior to this experiment, I conducted research to ensure that no toxic fumes would be released. I kept all items out of the reach of my dog Sammy. I had ensured that no items used were consumed by myself or anyone else. Protective plastic mats were laid down in case of spills or eruption. Lastly, I had disposed of all substances and chemicals safely via my kitchen sink. Once again, we will begin by adding our indicator to an empty glass. Thereafter, I will add about 10 milliliters of vinegar to this. It has now turned a lighter shade of pink, indicating that vinegar is an acid. Thereafter, I will add baking soda until the color of this solution matches our control. The bubbles indicate the release of carbon dioxide. Okay. Our solution is now neutralized because it matches the color of the control.